Hello. In this presentation, you'll hear how FLATE, the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, and Florida State Colleges work to keep manufacturing education relevant and responsive to manufacturer and workforce needs. You'll see how your involvement and your input shapes skill building and manufacturing education in Florida. I am Phil Santonzi with POS Impact LLC, a team member on a grant project awarded to FLATE to address skill needs for industry-identified advanced technologies. This presentation has two key objectives. First, to showcase how FLATE and the Florida State College's Engineering Technology, the ET degree programs, address skills gaps in advanced manufacturing and automated systems. We'll explore how FLATE and college resources and services help build the technical expertise your current and future employees need. The second objective is to establish why manufacturer involvement in academic planning is crucial for developing effective workforce education. We know how important a skilled technical workforce is to manufacturing success. Begin with the end in mind. The ultimate vision in establishing FLATE was to create and sustain a unified education system to support manufacturer needs in Florida by aligning education efforts and resources throughout the state, starting in secondary schools. Desired outcomes of this plan include increased enrollment in the manufacturing-related college programs, integrating industry into education processes, and ultimately meeting industry workforce needs for skilled technicians to coalesce recruitment efforts. The result would be consistent skill-building programs aligned with national certifications, providing multiple entry and exit options in both workplace and education pathways, and developing statewide articulations. To achieve FLATE's vision requires input and involvement from important stakeholders like those illustrated here, including industry. Currently, at the secondary level, only 7 of Florida's 67 school districts have implemented manufacturing skills-related programs such as career academies. At the post-secondary level, FLATE's focus has established a network of 23 state and community colleges, as well as technical colleges, offering a variety of credentials like Associate of Science and Applied Science degrees and college credit certificates. FLATE was initially established as a National Science Foundation, NSF, Advanced Technological Education Center of Excellence, aimed at developing and empowering Florida's world-class manufacturing workforce. Since its first funding in 2002, FLATE has received multiple renewals from NSF. In 2020, FLATE became part of the Florida Makes Network, receiving support and resources from Florida Makes, the NSF, and the Florida Department of Education. FLATE's key goals are to provide a state-of-the-art, relevant workforce curriculum responsive to industry needs, to support world-class educators and faculty, and to engage manufacturers through outreach in the community. In fact, FLATE has a positive national reputation for innovative approaches to achieving all these goals. FLATE's significant achievements include development and implementation of the statewide 2-year engineering technology, ET degree. FLATE established a standardized ET curriculum built on industry input, which supports industry standards and certifications, such as the MSSC Certified Production Technician. The degree has 11 ET specializations. The ET program is subject to continuous review and improvement with input from the colleges, manufacturers, and other stakeholders. Engineering technology is a standardized 2-year undergraduate program offered by 23 of 28 state and community colleges in Florida. The program integrates classroom instruction and hands-on experience with relevant equipment in the laboratory. The program equips students with essential knowledge and practical skills that support engineering functions in many technical and industrial settings. The program makes students ready to work in industrial technician roles. Let's take a closer look at the 2-year ET program shown in this chart. It illustrates the multiple pathways for students and manufacturing employees to benefit from ET education and training resources. Entry on the left side of the diagram can be from traditional GED or high school graduation or through an industry certification earned in a high school academy or tech program, an apprenticeship, or independent training. Students from all sources continue into an ET specialization to earn an AS degree which can seamlessly articulate into a bachelor's BSET degree. These are the 11 ET specializations available. Not all are offered at every college, but many colleges offer multiple specializations. The Advanced Automation specialization is the newest and most commonly offered. These specializations have been developed to meet regional ET skill needs, such as machining, mechatronics, electronics, and computer design. You can see on this map the 23 colleges offering the ET program curriculum statewide, enhancing FLATE's unified and standardized approach to manufacturing education across Florida. Each of the 23 colleges statewide offer at least one specialization in the ET program. In collaboration with a number of partner organizations, FLATE supports continuous improvement and alignment of the ET program with manufacturer needs through activities for professional development of faculty and outreach to manufacturers in the community. Through a variety of webinars, presentations, training courses, and major conferences, FLATE and its partners provide valuable learning and networking opportunities for educators. These events facilitate knowledge exchange, helping educators enhance their understanding of manufacturing trends and career pathways for students. A key element of this engagement is the semi-annual ET Forum, where educators and industry leaders come together to sustain a thriving professional community. Since its establishment in 2023, the State ET Industry Advisory Board, SETIAB, has played a vital role in integrating manufacturer perspectives into curriculum updates. Industry engagement remains a cornerstone of manufacturing education in Florida, ensuring that graduates possess the technical skills required to meet workforce expectations. By promoting awareness of Florida's ASET degree and the advantages of hands-on technical training, the statewide board strengthens the link between education and industry innovation. The call to action for manufacturers is straightforward: to connect with your local college, talk with them about the manufacturing-related skill development resources they offer, and seek out engineering technology degrees and short-term college credit certificates to meet your workforce needs. Further, engage with your local college ET Industry Advisory Board and/or participate in the recently formed statewide ET Industry Advisory Board. Be sure to share your perspectives and emerging technician skills with the manufacturing education community. Much more information about FLATE and the engineering technology curriculum can be found at the FLATE.org website or the other website URLs shown on screen. Please feel free to ask Ernie Friend or Marilyn Barger for the engineering technology point of contact at your local college. Thank you for your attention.